Today, we'll be taking a look at the best pressure washers for cars on the market this year. So, if you're interested in finding out the best pressure washers for your car on Amazon, keep watching this video. And the links to all the pressure washers for cars mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this. Let's move down to the list. Number 5. Ryobi RY141612 Electric Pressure Washer. The Ryobi RY141612 Electric Pressure Washer is an exceptionally small and lightweight Ryobi pressure washer for cars that offers a high level of portability thanks to its compact body, allowing for easy and effective cleaning at home or even away from home, as it can easily be stored in the trunk of your car. Its small body means that it is not enormously powerful, but it is more than capable of effectively cleaning a car without any risk of damage, and the compact nature of its construction more than makes up for its lack of power. As an added bonus, the Ryobi RY141612 Electric Pressure Washer for cars includes a set of 3 interchangeable nozzles for different washing tasks: a turbo nozzle for high-powered cleaning of problem areas, a standard 15-degree spread nozzle, and an extra-wide detergent nozzle for spreading soap over your car before you begin to wash. Number 4. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Washer. A moderately high-powered pressure washer for cars that offers very high performance and a great user experience. The Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Washer is an excellent Karcher power washer for cars option for almost any situation. It is well-balanced 2000 psi, 1.4 gallons per minute pressurizing system, offers a high level of power without risking damage to your car, blasting dirt from surfaces without breaking anything. But it is the extra design elements that help this pressure washer for cars to stand out from the crowd. The water-cooled induction motor component of the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Washer for cars promises increased performance and a lifespan that may be up to 5 times longer than that of most other models of pressure washer motors, circulating cold water around the motor system to keep the operating temperatures down as low as possible. Number 3. Greenworks GPW 1501 Pressure Washer. Thanks to its 13 amp electric motor, the Greenworks GPW 1501 Pressure Washer for cars is quieter than most gas-powered pressure washer for cars options, as well as operating at a lower and more comfortable temperature. The portable and compact pressure washer for cars features a long 35-foot power cable and a standard 20-foot spray hose, giving it a long reach to ensure that you can clean your car with ease even if the nearest electrical outlet is some distance away from the vehicle. In addition to this, The Greenworks pressure washer for cars includes 2 alternative quick connect cleaning tips, offering 25-degree and 40-degree spray angles for full control over your pressure washing experience, as well as a soap applicator for easy application of soap to your car before you begin to pressure wash the car properly. Number 2, Generac Speed Wash 7122 3200 Pressure Washer. The Generac Speed Wash 7122 3200 Pressure Washer is one of the more powerful pressure washer for cars options out there, promising to powerfully blast dirt and ingrained grime from your car with ease as long as you take care of it. Its powerful 3,200 psi, 2.7 gallons per minute pressurizing system gives a high level of water pressure, requiring a little attention around fragile parts of cars, but easily cleaning off the toughest and most stubborn blemishes on your car. The easy-to-use control system, integrated into the ergonomically designed spray gun handle, allows a high level of precise control to ensure that you do not use too much pressure and damage your car. The 4 interchangeable nozzle tips included with the Generac Speed Wash 7122 3200 pressure washer grant the option of even further precise control and flexibility, and the range of included additional attachments push the flexibility further, making this pressure washer for cars one of the easiest to recommend available in 2019. Number 1, Sunjoe SPX 3000 Pressure Washer. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 Pressure Washer is a versatile power washer for cars that offers high performance in a wide range of situations. Its electric motor is quieter than a gas engine, as well as operating at a lower temperature. The power cord built into the Sunjoe SPX 3000 Pressure Washer is 35 feet long, while the hose is 20 feet long, giving it more extended reach than many models of electric pressure washers, allowing you to easily clean your car if it is some distance away from the nearest electrical outlet. This pressure washer for cars also features 5 alternate quick change spray nozzles for full control of the force produced by its 20-30 psi 1.76 gallons per minute compressor, and a handy total stop system trigger that automatically shuts off the pump completely when the trigger is disengaged. Thanks for watching! You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag tech. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube, and we'll also contact winners directly through the comment they left.
We'll be right back.